So now you're going to be asked to take the derivative and find the line that is tangent to it. So what we need is the slope. So that's why we're taking the derivative. And they give us the point, which is really nice. So we just go ahead and we just start taking the derivative again. So I'm going to take a derivative here. It's 3 times that x plus y squared. And then I have to multiply it by the derivative of the inside. Well, this is 1 plus y prime, right? So then that's equal to 3x squared plus 3y squared times y prime. So like always, get your y primes on the same side. So this 3y squared times y prime, I can go ahead and I'm going to bring that to this side. So it's 3y squared times y prime plus, or so that's negative, plus, then this is kind of like a distribution here, so I could have it here and there. So I'm going to do the 3x plus y squared times y prime plus this 3xy squared times 1, this x plus y squared times 1. And that's all going to be equal to this 3x squared. So I subtract this piece over, 3x plus y squared. And that leaves me with, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to factor this out right away. So it's y prime times negative 3y squared plus 3x plus y squared, which is now equal to 3x squared minus 3x plus y squared. So the last chunk that I have to do is I just have to divide by this piece here. So if I rewrite this, after dividing, I'm going to get 3x squared minus 3 times the x plus y squared divided by negative 3y squared plus 3x plus y, that quantity squared. Woo! So now they want to know the tangent at negative 1, 1. Well, I found this derivative, and that's great, but we want to find the slope at that specific point. So let's just plug in the pieces. So the slope is going to be equal to 3 times this negative 1 squared minus 3 negative 1 plus 1 squared all over negative 3, 1 squared plus 3 times that negative 1 plus 1 squared. Well, the best part about negative 1 plus 1 is that it's 0, so this whole thing is 0, that whole thing is 0. And I'm left with 3 over negative 3, which is the slope of negative 1. So the equation of a line that is tangent, I could rewrite this as my y minus my y1, which is 1, equals negative 1 x minus x1, so minus a negative becomes a positive, and that's the equation of my line that's boxed right there.